Hello everyone, this is Matthew from I Love Free Software TV. In this video, I'm going to show you a free Android app that lets you experience VR without a VR headset. The name of this app is Sights in VR and you can install it from Google Play Store. A link to this app is mentioned in the description of this video. Sights in VR offers virtual tours of the popular and historical landmarks all over the world. When you open this app, it shows you a collection of mosques, museums, palaces, tombs, baths, inns, towers, castles, parks, squares, and many other landmarks from ancient, religious, to modern cities of the world. You can sort these landmarks by country or city using the given options. When you tap landmark type, this app gives you a list of various real-world sites. Each site has multiple 360-degree panoramic views which are interconnected. You can tap a view to explore it in a VR-like experience. You can explore it by moving your phone around just like using a VR viewer. You can also explore it by scrolling the image around manually in vertical or horizontal orientation. It highlights the other view positions present in the current site with a circle animations. You can easily switch to a highlighted view either by tapping on the circle or pointing your phone at it for a couple of seconds. This way, you can experience these sites in VR without needing a VR headset using this free Android app. If you liked this video, hit the thumbs up below. And remember to subscribe to this channel for more videos.